Samsung's next flagship, the Galaxy S26, might be arriving sooner than you think. And if I told you the exact launch date could already be hiding in plain sight, would you believe me? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know when the Galaxy S26 is almost certainly dropping. And trust me, it's a date you'll want to mark on your calendar right now. Samsung is a creature of habit. They love consistency, and that's our biggest clue. Last year, the Galaxy S25 launched on January 22nd, 2025 in San Jose, California. The year before that, the Galaxy S24 dropped on January 17th, 2024. Do you see the pattern forming here? Every year, Samsung keeps creeping into late January. And here's the crazy part. Both of those launch events happened on a Wednesday. Coincidence or a deliberate strategy? If history repeats itself, all signs point to January 21st, 2026 as the exact date Samsung could reveal the Galaxy S26 to the world. But wait, don't rush off and circle that date just yet, because there's a twist. See, the announcement is just the beginning. The real question is, when will you actually be able to hold the Galaxy S26 in your hands? Here's where Samsung plays its smartest move. After the flashy Unpacked event, they give fans just enough time to reserve and pre-order the phone. For the S25, that window was just over 2 weeks, and the actual release date landed on February 7th, 2025. So if we apply the same timeline, that means the Galaxy S26 could officially launch in stores and in your pocket on February 6th, 2026. Think about that. Barely 2 weeks after the reveal, you could be unboxing the most advanced Galaxy ever built. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has just been spotted, and it's turning heads with a design that seems to borrow the best ideas from the S25 Edge and the Fold 7. Earlier, we saw a wave of leaked CAD renders, but this latest leak finally gives us our first real-life look at what could be next year's most anticipated flagship. The Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to feature a fascinating mix-up of design cues taken straight from the S25 Edge and Fold 7, as revealed by tipster Tarun Vats. One of the most noticeable things is the thick camera bump on the back. The entire camera island follows the same design language we've seen in Samsung's recent premium devices, keeping that bold and confident look alive. Sensor-wise, the camera placement remains unchanged. 3 sensors sit neatly within the bump, while 2 additional lenses are housed in separate rings, with an LED flashlight placed right in the middle. It's a setup that feels both familiar and refined, but this time it stands out more due to the way the panel bump and camera rings make that section thicker than the rest of the body. Samsung is rumored to launch the One UI 8.5 beta program next month, and this one isn't just another update. It's said to be the biggest preview of the upcoming Galaxy S26 experience before its grand 2026 debut. Normally, Samsung doesn't bring midterm One UI versions to the beta channel, but this time, things are about to change. With One UI 8.5, Samsung seems ready to break its own traditions, giving us an early taste of what the Galaxy S26 lineup will truly feel like. One UI 8.5 became a hot topic right after the release of One UI 8.0. This year, Samsung's numbering strategy has been nothing short of unpredictable. The S25 series came with One UI 7, while the new foldables jumped straight to One UI 8. And now, the Galaxy S26 series is expected to ship with One UI 8.5. It'll be based on Android 16, but don't let the version number fool you. The changes Samsung is testing are massive. From visuals and interface design to new features and smarter AI, this upgrade is shaping up to be something extraordinary.